Where should you put your dollars and cents? Follow the money. So I often get asked about the Charlotte market and how I feel about the safety of your investment or what the real estate market looks like. And I always go back to some great advice I got years and years ago, and it's really true for any industry and any business, and it's follow the money. Where does the money start and where is it going? How is it divided up? We understand how people prioritize and how confident they feel in something based on how much investment they make. This is so true for the Charlotte market. If you look at our skyline, and it's not just uptown Charlotte, but there's a lot going on in uptown and South End, but all around, you can go north up to Concord, Kannapolis, Statesville, go east out to Monroe, you can go down south into York County, Fort Mill and Rock Hill, west out to Gastonia, Mount Holly. There is development going on everywhere. These are large institutions or organizations in many instances, and they have teams of analysts that take all sorts of information. They take migration data, they take spending information, they take demographic information, they look at infrastructure like highways and airports, and they determine where they're going to invest their tens of millions, if not hundreds of millions of dollars. So when you're looking at where may be a great place in the entire United States to make your residential real estate investment, or maybe your commercial real estate investment, look no further than Charlotte. Charlotte has all the indicators. We are a great place to be. We've got diversification of jobs. We have a top 5 airport. We have an incredible hospital infrastructure and system. We have higher education. We have both 77 and 85. So if you're already here and you're looking to continue to invest, or maybe you don't know much about this market, either way, you should feel great about making your investment in the greater Charlotte market. So follow the money and feel great about your investment in the Charlotte market.